Howdy, my name is Patrick,
My name is Branden.
and this is our DIY theremin display. A theremin is a musical instrument you can play without ever having to touch. It became popular in the 50s and 60s, used a lot in sci-fi soundtracks for its kind of spooky and eerie sound. Since then, its popularity has kind of decreased, but it's still used in some more artistic endeavors and alternative forms of music. So we decided to build our own.
So we have two prototypes here. This is our original version, and this is the newer revised version. So today we're just using the older version. We have the power connect shared between the two boards with jumper wires. And here's the demonstration. So you hear the sound, and then when you put your hand close to it, it slightly changes. And we also change up the frequency a little bit.
Yeah, and the way it basically works is you have two oscillators on either side of the circuit generating their own frequency waves, and this antenna in your hand acts as a capacitor for this side of the circuit, which changes the frequency of this wave, and the two waves meeting at different frequencies is what kind of creates that differing sound. It involves your hand interacting with the electromagnetic field from this antenna, and that is how it kind of works in the basic sense.
Yeah, and then the op amp here amplifies the differences in the wave and sends out a voltage signal for the speaker to output.
And since this is our DIY demo, we do have a set of instructions which you will be able to find in the description.
Yeah, click the affiliate link below. We'll get 5% on every purchase. So, yeah.
But yeah, this is our theremin.
Please hit like and subscribe. Our sub goal this week is 40. So if we hit a sub goal, we might have a subathon coming up or a giveaway PS5. Hello again. Just found something special about this.